Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to block internet access for any app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to block internet access for your particular app or software on your 10 or 11, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, then type here firewall.cpl. Then you can see here this file. You just need to click on that. After that, Windows Defender Firewall window will be open. In left section you can see here advanced setting. You just need to click on that. After that, this window will be open. Just close this first window and maximize this window. In this you can see here inbound rules. You just need to click on that. In right side you will find new rule. Click on that. In this you need to select program. Click on next. Select the program path. Click on browse. Select the app which you want to block the internet access. Just go to the C drive, go to the program and files, select the app which you want to. Suppose I want to block internet access for VLC, so I will select video LAN. In this you can see the VLC application. You just need to click on that, then click to open, then click on next. Here you need to select block the connection, click on next. You have to make sure that all these three boxes should be check mark, then click on next. Type the name VLC inbound rule. You can type VLC inbound, then click on finish. Now inbound has been created. Now click on outbound rule, then click on new rule, click on program, browse the path, select the VLC, click to open, click on next, select block the connection, click on next. Make sure all should be check mark, then click on next. Then type here VLC outbound. After typing VLC outbound, then click on finish. That's it guys. In this way you can block internet access for any app on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.